Welcome to my review of Phedra AI. Phedra AI is an innovative artificial intelligence platform that revolutionizes image editing by seeing your images and making precise changes using just words. Unlike traditional AI generators, Phedra starts with your image and modifies it to match your vision exactly. This makes it an essential tool for aspiring artists, business owners, and professional designers. Now, I'm going to play the demo video from the Phedra AI creator to show how it actually works. After that, I will show you its price, features, bonuses, OTOs, and bundle breakdown to guide your decision-making process. Determine whether it's a worthwhile investment for your needs. Stay until the end to watch Phedra AI in action.
Here I have an image of a beach in the afternoon sun. So I'm going to change the background to sunset and add a beach shack near the palm trees. So once I've typed in the prompt, I'm going to click on create. All right, we have the sunset and we have shacks added here, which were not there before. All right, not only that, we can also add text prompts in different languages which are not English. So let's try a French prompt. So I've translated add a jet ski on the shore to French. And I'm going to use this prompt here. Okay, a jet ski was added and using a French text prompt. Now let's try the voice prompt. Make the background night and add lights on the shacks. Okay, so I've recorded it and now you can click on play button to listen to the recording. Make the background night and add lights on the shacks. Okay, if you want to redo it, you can just click on delete and re-record your voice prompt and then click on create. Okay, so the background was changed to night and there are lights on the beach shack. Now let's see how the remove background feature works. Okay, we have this image and I'm going to try to remove the background. So for that, I'll click on export and then click on remove background. Okay, so the background was removed. Now let's see the precise edit feature. So you have this purple box here. You just have to click on it. Now you would be allowed to select or highlight an area in the image. So I have highlighted this image and I'm going to add a prompt to it. Here we go. A snowmobile was added in front of the cabin.
Now, let's talk about Phedra AI, OTOs, and the bundle deal. To give you an overview of what you will get with each upgrade. Phedra Pro, front end, price, $47. Reminder, this is the core software known as the front-end offer for today's one-time pricing. It includes the features listed below. AI-powered editing, smart vision, 100 image generations per month, type or speak in any language, specific spot editing, a 30-day money-back guarantee, Phedra Unlimited, OTO 1, price, $297 yearly/$47 monthly. Reminder, Phedra Unlimited OTO 1 is regularly priced at $297 per year, but with a 50% off coupon, it's $148.50 per year. The regular monthly price is $47, reduced to $23.50 with a coupon. This 50% discount is available during the launch period on the sales page and lasts for 7 days. This offer is not included in the Phedra Ultimate Bundle. It includes the features listed below. Access level, unlimited to Phedra AI. Benefits, flexibility, creative freedom. Capabilities, unlimited image creations. Important note, please note that to purchase the OTOs, you must first obtain the core Phedra AI front-end software. The OTOs will not work without this initial purchase. This offer is not included in the Phedra Ultimate Bundle. Phedra Template Club, OTO 2, price, $47. It includes the features listed below. 20 new photos per category each month. Available for 12 months. Provides foundational designs for customization. Important note, please note that to purchase the OTOs, you must first obtain the core Phedra AI front-end software. The OTOs will not work without this initial purchase. Alternatively, you can purchase the bundle deal to access all features in one package. Phedra SE Power, OTO 3, price, $67. It includes the features listed below. Access to Phedra extension. Designed directly in the Chrome search engine. Instantly recreate images with Phedra. Click, change, and download without logging into the app. Important note. Please note that to purchase the OTOs, you must first obtain the core Phedra AI front-end software. The OTOs will not work without this initial purchase. Alternatively, you can purchase the bundle deal to access all features in one package. Phedra Canva Pro, OTO 4. Reminder, no link or price included, available only with the Phedra Ultimate Bundle. It includes the features listed below. Integrates Phedra's capabilities directly into Canva. Enhances design possibilities. Compatible with the free version of Canva. Phedra Ultimate Bundle, price, $137, one-time payment. It includes the features listed below. Phedra Pro, front-end, price, $47. Phedra Template Club, OTO 2, price, $47. Phedra SE Power, OTO 3, price, $67. Phedra Canva Pro, OTO 4, no link or price included, available only with the Phedra Ultimate Bundle. Priority updates and support. Total cost without the bundle, $47 plus $47 plus $67 equals $161, excluding the price of Phedra Canva Pro. Savings from the bundle, $161 to $137 equals $24, plus the additional value of Phedra Canva Pro. Therefore, purchasing the Phedra Ultimate Bundle saves at least $24, with additional savings from the inclusion of Phedra Canva Pro. What about bonuses? You will get access to these bonuses when you purchase through my link. Let's look at the bonuses you will receive. Phedra AI Bonuses. Reminder, bonuses are provided on the thank you page. Bonus 1. Phedra DFY Image Prompt Vault. Creating eye-catching visuals has never been easier with the Phedra DFY Image Prompt Vault, featuring 20 expertly crafted prompts that help you produce stunning AI-generated images in seconds. Whether you need engaging social media graphics, compelling product visuals, or unique marketing creatives, these ready-to-use prompts take the guesswork out of content creation. Simply copy, paste, and watch Phedra generate high-quality visuals that perfectly align with your brand and goals. No more struggling with creative blocks. This vault provides everything you need to create impactful graphics effortlessly. Ideal for marketers, entrepreneurs, and content creators, these prompts cover a variety of niches, ensuring you always have the right visual for any occasion. Bonus 2. Phedra Engagement Hub. Simplify your online presence and boost engagement with Phedra Engagement Hub, the perfect way to connect your audience with your most important content in one place. Whether you're sharing blog posts, exclusive offers, or lead magnets, this sleek, customizable hub ensures visitors can easily access what matters most. No more messy, scattered links. Organize everything into a single professional page that works seamlessly across social media, emails, and promotions. With a clean layout and easy navigation, you'll drive more clicks, increase engagement, and present your brand with confidence. If you're looking to build a strong online presence and make it easier for your audience to connect with you, Phedra Engagement Hub is your solution. Bonus 3. Phedra Click Boost. Take your Phedra-generated content to the next level with Phedra Click Boost, the ultimate link optimization tool designed to drive more traffic and conversions. This powerful bonus helps you create short, branded, and trackable links that enhance your marketing campaigns and improve audience engagement. Whether you're sharing content on social media, through emails, or in paid ads, Phedra Click Boost ensures your links are optimized for maximum impact. With advanced tracking features, you'll know exactly where your traffic is coming from and how your audience is interacting with your content. Fine-tune your marketing efforts with data-driven insights and effortlessly improve click-through rates. No more generic, forgettable links. Phedra Click Boost empowers you to create memorable, high-converting URLs that capture attention and build trust with your audience. Bonus 4. Todd's TikTok Breaking News Strategy. Discover how to capitalize on trending news and turn it into viral content with Todd's TikTok Breaking News Strategy. Todd shares his personal experience of leveraging breaking news stories, starting with his passion for weather and astronomy to grow his audience and generate real income on TikTok. From predicting rising trends like solar eclipses to jumping on unexpected events like Dubai's flooding and the aurora borealis, Todd reveals his step-by-step approach to becoming an authority and capturing millions of views. Learn how he crafted compelling hooks, joined TikTok's Creator Rewards program, and skyrocketed to 48,000 followers, all while monetizing viral content for consistent earnings. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to refine your strategy, this bonus provides actionable insights to help you ride the wave of trending news and maximize your TikTok potential. Follow Todd's journey, replicate his tactics, and start making waves in your niche today. Bonus 5. Phedra 30-Day Content Planner. Consistency is the key to success in today's fast-paced digital world, and with the Phedra 30-Day Content Planner, you'll never run out of ideas. This carefully curated planner provides you with daily prompts, creative strategies, and actionable ideas to help you generate high-quality content effortlessly using Phedra. Whether you're looking to boost your social media presence, enhance your marketing campaigns, or engage your audience with fresh and relevant content, this planner ensures you stay on track and achieve your goals. Designed to align with various content needs, it offers inspiration that saves you time while keeping your brand message consistent and impactful. No more creative blocks or last-minute content scrambles. Simply follow the plan, customize it to fit your niche, and watch your engagement soar. With Phedra's powerful features and this structured content roadmap, you'll be equipped to build a compelling digital presence that resonates with your audience. This video playlist is available here. To become a subscriber, click here to get more new videos like this.